Okay, remember in this video, I'm only going to set up the equations, and that's only if you didn't know how to do it. So I would suggest pausing it and trying to write it out first and see if you wrote it right or wrong and why, instead of just copying everything that I'm writing. Okay? This is the second one on the first page, and it says, Tom and Melanie have 28 coins that are nickels and dimes. So we have nickels and dimes for a total of 28. So I'm going to use N and D. N's for nickels, D for dimes, and it's 28. So N plus D equals 28. So altogether, they have 28 coins. If you want to write that down, that's fine. Coins. That's the equation for my coins. Then it says that the value, so dollar amount, of the coins is $1.95. Okay, so the next one should be a money equation. And you're probably thinking, well, I only have one money symbol here. Well, no, because you know how much nickels are and you know how much dimes are. Nickels are 5 cents, so 0.05 is every nickel, 5 cents, okay? Plus, the dimes are 10 cents each dime, equals the total amount, which was $1.95. Money plus money equals money. That's my money equation, okay? So now it's very simple. You put this in matrix, which is 1n plus 1d equals 28, and 0.05n plus 0.10d equals 1.95. Put that in matrix and go find the solution. Remember, we wrote down the nickels first, so the first number here will be nickels, and the second number will be dimes. Okay? When you check the solution, you're going to use these equations, okay? So nickels plus dimes equals 28, and 0.05 nickels plus 0.10 dimes equals $1.95. Okay, put the numbers in there and check. On the back page, this one is super, super easy. It's all set up for you. Remember, we changed these numbers. That was $3.41, and that was $3.13. So it says that 8 pence, so I'll just use X for pence, and 7 Y's, Y for pencils, 7 pencils, which is your Y. So that's 8X plus 7Y equals a total of 341. And the other one is 4 pens, that's your X, 11 pencils, that's your Y, 313. So 4X plus 11Y equals 3.13. Remember, X equals pens, Y equals pencils. Okay? Put it in matrix. Find the solution. So write down the matrix, what is it? And write down the solution, what is it? Again, this is pens, pencils. And then check the solution, and you already know how to do that. Remember, we're not doing the tables. The last one. Says Timmy has 108 marbles. Some are plain and some are colored. So P for plain, C for colored. Altogether 180. So the plains plus the color ones equals 180. If there are 32 more plains, so there's more planes, so that's going to be P equals 32 more. than the colored ones. So that's color plus 32. The color ones plus 32 more equals to the plain ones. Okay? So what do I need to move? What am I going to have to move to put it in matrix? Well, the first one's ready. P plus C equals 180. I need the P's first. So this one's P first. The C needs to be moved over. Right? Move it over. So if I move it over, it becomes a minus C equals 32. So now it's ready for matrix. Remember, these are ones, and this is a negative 1. Put it in matrix. Get the solution. Okay, we wrote down P's first, so that's the plane. And we wrote down colored, the C second, so that's colored. And then check your solution using these equations. Don't forget to use parentheses first. Okay, if you have any questions, just ask the sub or ask Ms. Betancourt. Remember that these are the type of problems that are going to be on the STAAR, so we need to practice as much as possible. And don't forget that I come back the day before STAAR.